Awaken XT is a highly concentrated formula that combines the best of nature and science. It contains a blend of natural extracts, vitamins, and minerals that work together to increase energy levels and cognitive function. This means you can expect to feel more alert, focused, and full of vitality throughout the day. One of the key ingredients in Awaken XT is caffeine. Caffeine is a popular stimulant that has been used for centuries to enhance alertness and focus. However, Awaken XT goes beyond just caffeine by including other powerful stimulants such as ginseng and guarana. These ingredients work together to provide a more sustained and controlled release of energy, ensuring you stay energized throughout the day. Another important component of Awaken XT is L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve mental focus. This makes it an excellent addition to any supplement regimen, especially if you're challenged with staying calm and focused throughout the day. Finally, Awaken XT is formulated with a blend of other essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients play a key role in supporting overall health and well-being, including energy production, mood regulation, and immune function. In conclusion, Awaken XT is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to increase their energy levels and improve their overall well-being. With its potent blend of natural ingredients, it's no wonder this supplement has become a popular choice among busy professionals and athletes alike. Try it and experience the difference for yourself.